All right, first off, these knobs here do not go with the radio. I put those on just so that I could turn things on and adjust the bass and treble. So,
Bloomberg Business Week.
And it comes to the end of the week.
Yeah.
Going to dig into a little existential crisis at the hedge funds, Carol.
We are indeed, because you got the S&P 500 down 4 out of the past 5 weeks, and that's taking down some hedge funds along with it. So we'll dig into that story with our own Peggy Collins in just a minute.
But first, let's get a check on late.
Way to handle the Lions, just blindness.
Well, hey, Dan, we appreciate the time, man. Have a good day. We'll catch you.
Had to contend with the disappointing revenue numbers from Amazon and Alphabet through the session. S&P 500 week
there it
about
is in a
1.7%
nutshell.
today in the NASDAQ comp.